Today we'll cover how to operate ICTV's volunteer camera package, as well as a couple tips to ensure you get the best recording possible. Step 1. Choose your location. Ensure a clear line of sight to your subject. Stay near a power outlet. Tip: avoid placing subjects in front of windows to prevent underexposure. Step 2. Set up the camera. After extending and locking the tripod legs, set up the tripod and tighten the pan handle. Slide the camera onto the tripod until it clicks and tighten the thumb screw. Plug in the AC adapter. Open the lens hood and flip out the screen. Step 3. Audio. Using the red cord from the microphone case, open the cover and plug the cord into the mic jack. Remove the receiver and mic from the case. Clip the mic to the speaker's shirt. Attach the receiver to the camera's hot shoe. Connect the red cable to the receiver. Plug in headphones. Power on the camera and ensure audio is coming through the headphones. Tip: keep headphones on at all times to monitor audio and avoid missing any sound. Step 4. Recording. Press the Start/Stop button on the back of the camera to begin recording. Frame your shot and confirm. Time code is running. Audio levels are active. Use the zoom rocker to capture wide and close shots. It's time to wrap things up. Press the Start/Stop button to end the recording. Power off the camera, close the screen, and shut the lens hood. Disconnect all cables and place the mic and receiver back into the case. Loosen the thumb screws, hold the red button, and slide the camera off the tripod. Pack everything back into the case and return all gear to the station. Thanks for watching.